Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so watch until the end and I'll cover everything you need to do. First, go to GoDaddy and make sure you're logged in. It's important to go over to your products by clicking on My Products. This will show you your domains. From here, you can choose the domain you want to connect to Hostinger. Next, head over to Hostinger and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Hosting section where you should see your hosting plan. Click on the three dots and select Add Website. Now you can add a new website. It'll ask you for the website type, but you can skip through these steps if you want. We're going to build the website from scratch, so click on Skip, then Start from Scratch. Next, it'll prompt you to enter a domain. Click on Use an existing domain, since we're using a domain bought from GoDaddy. Select that option and enter your domain. You'll need to copy and paste your own domain here. Once done, click Continue. Hostinger will recognize where your domain was registered, and in this case, it's GoDaddy. Now, we need to connect the domain to Hostinger's web servers. Click Connect, and a new window will open where we'll update the domain name servers to Hostinger's. To do this, log back into GoDaddy, go to your domain and click on DNS. Here, you'll find the name servers. Click Name Servers to see the old ones, and we're going to replace them with Hostinger's name servers. Go back to GoDaddy and click Change Name Servers. Hostinger provides two name servers, which you'll copy over to replace the current ones. Copy the first name server and replace it in GoDaddy, then do the same with the second one. After that, click Save. Now, continue and verify. You may need to enter a passcode for security. I received mine via email after about 10 minutes, so if it takes a while for you, just be patient. Once you get the code, enter it and click Verify. This will confirm your identity and change the name servers. After that, return to Hostinger and click Continue. You'll see that the name servers have been successfully set, so click Finish. Now your domain is connected to Hostinger and everything should be running smoothly. It can take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate, but let's check the website now. You'll see the default page. Next, you'll need to choose between WordPress or the Hostinger website builder. To do that, go to your control panel by clicking Manage Site, which takes you into the Hostinger control panel. Here's your dashboard, and if you go to Auto Installer, you can install WordPress or any other CMS platform. And that's how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.